Hello. Well, we are keeping on working on dividing with a remainder, and today we're really going to think about what the remainder means in a problem. But first of all, I've got a starter. So here we have a calculation. Someone has done 6,431, take away 322, and they made a mistake. That's wrong. So, can you spot their mistake? And can you do the column subtraction correctly? Have a go. Pause the video, have a go. I hope you had a go. Well, let's start. I wonder, always we're going to start with the column on the right hand side. Now here it's the ones. So these are the ones. 1 take away 2. 1 take away 2 is not 1. If I've got 1 ball and I've got to take away 2 balls, I can't do it. I haven't got enough. So that's the bit that's wrong. That's actually the bit that's gone wrong. Let me try and do it over here. I wonder if you worked it out correctly. So this is wrong. Did you think to yourself, 1 take away 2, oh, I've only got 1 in the ones. I can't take away 2 ones. So, do you remember? We're going to take one of the 10s. Now, instead of 3 10s, we've got 2 10s. We put the 1 10 into the ones. Now we've got 10 ones and 1. Now we've got 11 ones. 11 ones. Take away 2 is 9. 2 10s. Take away 2 10s is 0 10s. 400s. Take away 300s is 100. 6 take away nothing. 6 take away nothing is 6. So our correct answer should be 6,109. I hope you got that one. Let me know in Google Classroom if you got that one right, so that we can have a little practice, or don't need any more practice on that, thank you. Okay, so here's a question. You are putting eggs into boxes. So over here, we've got the eggs. There are 19 eggs. Each box holds 6 eggs. So let's read the question again carefully. You are putting eggs into boxes to stop them getting broken. Okay. There are 19 eggs. Each box can hold 6 eggs. How many boxes do you need? Okay. Well, let's think. What blanks have we got here? We want to put how many eggs altogether? Well, 19 eggs into, well, I could have written the word boxes here. But each box is a group of eggs, and I've used the maths word groups. We want to put 19 eggs into groups of 6, because each box is a box of 6. Well, the division calculation is the whole number of eggs goes first. 19, that's the whole amount of eggs. And we are putting them into groups of, so dividing it into groups of 6. 19 divided by 6. Well, I remember when we are dividing by 6, we need to use our 6 times table. Why? Because if we can imagine the 19 eggs and see them here, we make one group of 6 Another group of 6, because each group of 6 is a box of 6. Another group of 6, so let me write down the 6's. 6 here, 6 here, 6 here. Oh, hold on. That's not a group of 6. So, we split our whole number of eggs, 19 eggs, into the closest multiple of 6. Remember? So 6, and another 6 is 12, and another 6 is 18. Stop there. If I say the next one, 24, I haven't got 24 eggs. I've only got 19, so I've got to stop before I get to 24. So the closest multiple of 6 is 18. How many left over? Well, 1, because 18 add what makes the whole 19? 18 add 1 makes 19. And I remember that 18 here, we're dividing into 6. We're putting them into boxes of 6, groups of 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. And 1 left over. So it's 19 divided by 6 makes 3, remainder 1. But let's look at the question, because that's what we're learning today. So how many boxes do you actually need? 3, remainder 1? Well, I don't know what 3, remainder 1 means when I'm asking the question, how many boxes do you need? I wonder, what do you think? How many boxes do you need? Well, I've tried to draw it here. I've shown the same thing. 19 divided by 6. The maths answer, if it was just numbers, is 3, remainder 1. Okay. Remember, the 3 means 3 boxes of 6. 1, 2, 3 boxes of 6. Here they are. And the remainder 1 means 1 egg left over. Well, the question says we're putting eggs into boxes. That last egg still needs to go in a box, or it's going to get broken. So actually here, we need to think 1 egg left over, remainder 1, we still need to put that egg in a box. So we really need to think it's not 3 boxes. The remainder 1 means, well, there's 1 egg that needs to be put in a box, so actually it's 4 boxes. And this is what we call interpreting remainders when we divide, because when we answer a question that involves remainders, we need to think what the question is really asking us. And then we have to interpret, think really hard about what something means. We need to interpret the division calculation so that our answer is really an answer to the actual word question or the real problem that we're dealing with. Let's have another look. It's a slightly different kind of example. A teacher is putting 34 children, 34 blue children, into teams of 5. How many teams of 5 can they make? Well, remember, it's dividing. We want to split the whole group of 34 children into groups of 5, because it's teams of 5. So the division calculation, remember, the whole thing that we're splitting up goes first. 34 goes first because it's 34 children that we're splitting up. And we are making groups of 5. So it's 34 divided by 5. Okay. let's try it. Let's try drawing it here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those 5 children are a team. So every 5 is a team. So we're counting in 5, 5 and 5. Another 5. And another 5. And another 5. And another team of 5 children. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 children. 4 children won't make a team of 5. So the division calculation is 34 divided by 5. We were counting up in groups of 5. So we're splitting our 34. What's the closest we can get to on the 5s? It was 30. Sorry, the whole 34 we are splitting into the closest multiple of 5, 30 and 4. 30 children put into groups of 5 makes 6 groups of 5. Look, team 1, team 2, team 3, team 4, team 5, team 6. 6 teams of 5. So let's think carefully, because the maths answer to this is 6 teams of 5. But how many left over? 6. Remainder 4. But we're not really looking for a remainder 4 kind of answer here. How many whole teams of 5 are there? Well, actually, only 6 teams of 5. So my answer to this question here, how many whole teams of 5 are there? Well, 6 teams of 5. These 4 children don't make a team of 5 at all. Okay. Here's another question. A sports coach is making teams of 6 children. If there are 20 children, how many children won't be in a team of 6? Well, remember, when we divide, we think, what is the whole thing, the whole amount we're splitting up? We want to split the whole 20 children into groups of 6. We put the whole amount first. 20 is the whole amount because that's all of the children. 20 children, and we're putting them into teams of 6. It's 20 divided by 6. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can put them into a team of 6. And then we make another team of 6. So 6 in the first team, 6 in the second team, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 in the third team. And 2 children left over. So 20 divided by 6, we're using our 6 times table. We use our 6's to split 20 into the closest multiple of 6, which is 18. Do you remember? We said 6 and 6 and 6. So it's 3 teams of 6, which is the 18. And 18 add how many makes 20 is 2. Here are the 2. Let's answer the question. How many children won't be in a team of 6? Well, our answer to this question, 20 divided by 6, is that there are, I should have said that there are 3 teams of 6, remainder 2. But this question is not asking us for the answer 3 remainder 2. It's asking how many children won't be in a team of 6. So here we're just interested in the remainder, aren't we? The answer is 2 children. This question is really asking us to work it out and what's the remainder, how many are not included or not involved or left out or left over? Here we have another question. It's not such an easy one to draw, but I'll try. Jackson went to the sweet shop with £20 in his wallet. He sees large rainbow lollipops on sale for £3 each. How many large rainbow lollipops can he buy? Well, he's got £20 altogether. So if he buys one lollipop, that costs £3. If he buys another one, it's another £3. Oh, look. And another is £3. I think we'd better use the 3 times table, because it's how many threes? How many threes in 20? Can you see? That's really the question we're asking ourselves. How many threes in 20? How many of the £3 lollipops can he buy? So how many threes in 20 is 20. That's all the money he's got. That's the whole amount. 20 divided by 3. Let's see. Use my 3 times table. I'll do it here. I'm going to split the 20, the whole 20 into 18 and 2. That's as close as I can get to 20 on the 3 times table. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Let's think about it. You can buy 1 lolly, £3. 2 lollies, 6. 3 lollies, 9. Let's try it again. 4 lollies, £12. 5 lollies, £15. 6 lollies, £18. If he buys another one, it's £21. That's too much. So, actually, how many large rainbow lollipops can he buy? He can buy 6 lollipops. Because our answer here, 20 divided by 3 is 6, remainder 2. It means 6 lollipops and £2 left over. Ooh, let's have a go at our last question. You're making small party bags with 10 M&Ms in. And how many small party bags can you make from a big bag of M&Ms with 65 M&Ms in it? Well, we're counting up in tens, because we make a small party bag, it's got 10 in, then the next party bag's got another 10 in, the next got another 10. I see. Altogether, there are 65 M&Ms. That's the whole number, that's all of the M&Ms. We're putting them into groups of 10. 65 divided by 10. 65 is the whole amount. I'm splitting it into 60. That's as close as I can get on the tens. And 5. 60 divided by 10 is 6. And 5 M&Ms left over. So our answer is we could make 10 bags. No, sorry. I'm thinking too many thoughts. 6 bags of 10 M&Ms with 5 in each one. And if we drew it, that's what it would look like. 10 in the first bag, 10 in the next bag, 10 in the next bag. So now we're up to 40, 50, 60. We can't make another bag, 70. So we've been thinking about dividing with the remainder and what it means, how we have to really answer the question. Quite tricky. If it's confusing, just have a go on the level 1 questions. If you think level 1 easy, give it a good go on level 2, and then we have got a challenge for you. Okay, see you soon everyone. Bye.